Hey guys, very good afternoon. So this is your very own Beauty Stories Mad Makeovers Ambika Dubey, and I'm here at my favorite store called Krylon in Mumbai, Bandra West. And I always feel good and happy whenever I'm here because I just love this brand. Amazing. And now there is one good thing to be more in love with this brand is their new launches of 4K photo finish foundations, which is called digital complexion foundation. And I'm really happy to see this new launch after a lot of hard work by Krylon people. The good thing is that they are easy to blend, they are amazing, the spread is very good, they are self-setting foundations, and they come in various tones which are suitable for our Indian skin. We have got an amazing pink tone, the neutral tones, the olive tones, and the warm tones here in the liquids, and amazing. The good thing is that I'm not in love with MAC foundations at all. MAC people know this everywhere. I hate MAC, and I hate Huda, I hate Maybelline and all those. And now there is a reason why I hate all this, and not a reason, but I've got something to love and hate them more is the new launch of Krylon. Their colors are good, the blend is good, and they are self-setting. Easy to blend stuff with good products. And what to say, just come and explore Krylon and the new thing. And they come in the cream texture, which is amazing. They come in their airbrush concealer form, which is again amazing and self-setting, and they don't need powder. And then they have a powder as well with it, which is a digital complexion finish. This is a white transparent powder, amazing, and they are highly milled powders, and just ultimate. See guys, Krylon is a brand from Germany. It's a very old professional cosmetic brand. And there are a lot of people in the market who say, Ambika, why you are so often in love with Krylon? You don't promote any other brands. It's simple. This brand is skin friendly, developed by good people, developed by scientists, chemical engineers, color engineers, and all those people who have studied. And it's all done, developed, processed, and then shipped to India. So there is a reason why I love Krylon. And it's not only now, it's been since ages. All the professional makeup artists, you would definitely agree about Krylon, that yes, it's something which is very nice and good. And you have never seen me going live at MAC store or any other stores ever, so you will never even see those. I hate MAC, I hate Huda, I hate all those things. Those are few latest launches and they'll go away from the market, but this thing will always stay. This brand will always stay. Internationally, it has its own market among professional people. So what to say, I have come here to shop a bit for my friend, and they have also come up with the latest mascaras, which are really nice. And as always, please visit any of the Krylon stores in India. And if you're really afraid or you are not so open up, just tell them Ambika sir has sent you, and they'll help you out like anything in India, anywhere in India. And these are new brushes here. Nice. So see, every time I come here, I see something new. Lovely. So take care guys, and let me know for anything needed in future, be it training, be it products, be it discounts, be it freebies and gifts, or be it anything. Correct, Vanessa? So take care guys and stay connected. Bye.